The Cabinet has approved the development of the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport to James Gichuru Expressway Project, also known as the Nairobi Expressway Project. The project will have several components, key among them being the development of a multi-lane highway from JKIA to the James Gichuru Road junction along Waiyaki Way, which will cover 18.6 kilometers. The other component will be the development of a bus rapid transit system, which will comprise of BRT stations, park and ride facilities at the high-demand commuter transfer points. The Cabinet also approved the data protection policy and law. The law seeks to guard personal data against misuse and eliminate the unwarranted invasion of privacy, which is a constitutional right. Also approved at Thursday's meeting before Easter holiday was the Kenya Investment Policy, which aims to consolidate the fragmented investment-related policies, creating a framework that establishes a strong coordinating mechanism in the country.